lie. My nigga Nurk shit is so thorough, bro. Look at this shit, man. My nigga got the stars in the ceiling on you niggas, man. Real talk. And we in the scat pack. Playing no games, nigga. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Broden came a long way with this car, man. And he just got it too. He only had it. He's had it for less than a year. My nigga doing big things with this car, y'all.
Driven this shit, dog. Popping this shit, dog. Kicking this shit, dog. Get with this shit, better get with it. Get with it. Bitch better get with it. Bitch better get with it. Fresh out dope gang, you know, looking like a whole thing.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Henry JC. I know I ain't made a video in a minute, but I'm back. And who I got with me today? Got bro with me. And we finna put the underglow on my car. Talk to him, nerd.
Check out the lights in that bitch, though. Check out the roof in that.
See everybody yelling gang till the mission fails.
It looks live like that.
Wait till the radio starts.
And they turn around and sing like Patty LaBelle. I know a lot of shit I ain't gon' never tell. I'd rather do my time sitting in the cell. Niggas acting like they gang till the mission fails.
Y'all follow bro on Instagram.
Brown niggas taking down niggas.
It looks way live with the lights. Hello! She got scared. Never tell. I'd rather do my time sitting in the sand. You finna do my underglow on the Challenger. And this right here, I know it's probably not the best. People gonna say, oh, that shit's trash, but a few people I know have it. And it's like $70 at Walmart. So we gotta put two kits because they're not long enough. This is really made for a smaller car. And guess who I have holding the camera today? What's your name?
Nikki.
She's about to say her government name. Nikki. All right, here. Cammy, want me to pick you up? Watch this. Want me to pick you up? Want me to pick you up? No? She always tells me no, y'all, no matter what. All right, here you go, camera girl.
Okay.
So just record us like normal.
Okay.
I'm about to take over the payments on the scat pack. Put it on her, Nikki. Look, she's still shaking her head. No. No? Watch, I'm acting like I'm gonna pick her up. Put it on camera. No? No? Okay. All right, y'all, so we got the front of it done so far. The car looks funny because my grill ain't in there for one, and then it's lifted up right now. This the man with the plan right here. Ignore the dirty ass car. But follow me on the ground. Bro, it's so funny how I had to change my YouTube name and my Instagram name. Hey, cause this nigga, look y'all, this nigga Nurk spelled Henry JC with two Y's, but everything was my name. He spelled it with one Y, so I had to change everything. Yeah. Yeah. We ain't done yet. We just done with the first side and the back. All right, now go straight back.
Hell, bitch. I have one front beside her.
Yeah, I got that. Well, y'all, this the finished product right here.
Where's your phone? Oh, I was about to say, where's your phone?
But all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a shot when I'm in the street, you know what I'm saying, with the car on. Go.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, sir.